Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 per day coloring photos. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And also give me a like. It really helps out my channel, guys, and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below, and don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon. It's coming soon by the end of this month. We're in May right now, and at the end of this month of May, I know I'm going to hit that 3,000 subscribers. So if you want to get a chance to win that free money, go ahead and type hashtag get your grind on in the comments. And also, if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today, leave that in the comment section too. All right, this method is available worldwide. It's very simple to do. So anybody around the world will be able to do this method. So please watch this all the way to the very end, because it's a couple of steps you're going to have to take to implement this method and be successful at it. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $200 per day coloring photos. Let's grind, and you know what? Let's get it. All right, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is colorized.sg, and it's colorized.sg. So on this website here, it allows you to upload a photo, and if it's black and white, you can change that to color. So let me show you how it works. You're going to scroll down here, click on this little box right here, let them know that you're not a robot. And then this is going to pop up, so you click on select photo. I'm going to select my photo. And it's doing its magic right now. Boom. Real quick. And as you can see, one side of me is black and white, and the other side is in color. So if you want to have color, just pull this right here all the way to the end. Boom, color. Now if you want black and white, boom, black and white. And just scroll down here and download the result right here onto your computer. Now, you're probably going to say, what else can we do with this website? Can we make some money on this website? No, this is just a website you're going to use to turn black and white photos into colored photos. Now, it's a big demand for colored photos, because I guess a lot of people have a lot of black and white photos and they want to change that to color photos. So that's when you come in and you provide this service to people. So you're probably gonna ask me, where can we provide this service at? Well, I'm gonna take you to that website right now. It's a very popular website. You heard of it before. So let me go to it right now. Okay, I'm at Fiverr. You heard of this website before. It's very popular. Now, I know you're probably thinking that this website is oversaturated with freelancers that provide all different type of services, but this one right here, this type of service is going to be a good service for you guys to uh, provide to people because it's a big demand right now. So let's scroll down here and just look at some of the services that these freelancers providing. Now, here's one service. I will Photoshop, color material, edit house exterior and interior photos for $40. So, reason why he's charging $40 because he's going to do black and white photos outside the house and inside the house. So that's why he's charging that much. So you probably got these other people like this one that's charging $5. They just said I will create awesome slideshow, colorful photo slideshow photo video. And they just charging $5. So they're doing a slideshow of your photos and changing them to color. So all of them are pitching different type of services, but doing the same thing. They turn in black and white photos to color. So what you can do when you get on here and provide your service of colorizing photos, you just say, hey, I'm gonna provide you with 5 to 10 photos for a certain price. You can do that for $40, or you can do that for $10, $20, or whatever. You can just provide the same type of service. You just provide them in a different way than these other freelancers are providing the service. You just got to be creative with it, and that's going to attract people to your service, and more so than the others because it's different and unique. So see, it's all different type of prices that these freelancers are charging, from $20 to $5 to $10. So now there's another website you can go to also. It's called People Per Hour. So you can go to that website and also provide this type of service there. So you can start making money from Fiverr and People Per Hour. So this is how this method works. Like I said, it's a very high demand for these colorized photos, so it'll be a good business to start. So if you're ready to go ahead and start this method, go to colorize.sg and then go ahead and provide your service on Fiverr.com. All right, now you know the website and the method you can use to start making $200 per day coloring photos. So go ahead and open up a Fiverr account, use that website, and start getting this money. All right, thank you guys for watching this video all the way to this point. Before I go, please direct your attention to the description below and click on where it says my #1 recommendation to make money on autopilot. When you go to that link, you will be provided with a very unique way to make money on autopilot. So click on that link, guys. And also I got some other cool stuff in the description below you need to check out that's going to help you on your journey to make money online. And please check out some of my apps there at the bottom of the description. Check out some of my apps that I made and download it, check it out. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to give me a like and help me to get like 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. It's gonna help out this video and help out this channel. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. Because I might randomly pick your comment and you can win this free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers. And please Share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody to make money online and become their own boss. It's time, guys. It's 2020. We got a lot going on in 2020 and jobs are scarce out there. So this is the perfect time to start making money online and become your own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, Grind family, I really appreciate you guys' help. Keep helping a brother, keep supporting a brother, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. Just please keep watching my videos and I won't disappoint you guys. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.